My name is Alicia, and I have been part of the Unite for Her family since 2018. I was part of the ovarian cancer pilot, and that was really life-changing for me because I had originally been diagnosed in 2014, and I was on my third recurrence since diagnosis when I was in the pilot program. And I found out about all these amazing services that were offered by Unite for Her that really were life-changing in the form of helping me get through the difficulties of the treatments, the really brutal side effects, by using more holistic approach and more holistic therapies like acupuncture, which has been the absolute best for me. And I'm still using acupuncture treatments to help me through my current recurrence. And I actually use them, I've been using them since 2018. All thank you to Unite for Her. And then also the vegetable share, the oncology massages. I mean, there were just so many services, the amazing gift box of wonderful lotions and teas and the cancer cookbook. I mean, just so many things that you don't even think about or realize that you could use to get through this journey. So my first 4 years, I literally had nothing but grueling treatments and really no nice holistic therapy. So that's why I call it like life-changing, and I'm forever grateful. Roseanne?
My name is Roseanne and I was diagnosed in 2021 with stage 3 ovarian cancer. And I was really fortunate because my oncologist, our oncologist, Dr. Mark Shaheen, from the very beginning, handed me a flyer for Unite for Her. I also had a friend who used the services, so that was very helpful. And I should say, it is life-changing. I feel like it's my long distance bestie who's always checking in on me during treatment to say, are you taking care of your body in nice ways? And so we know that acupuncture, lymphatic massage, all of these treatments, there's research that supports how helpful they are in returning your body to a state of health. The farm shares, I mean, to get good food, to see Erin's videos. Unite for Her is this organization that is supporting folks who are going through really aggressive treatments. And this is the partnership of let's provide you with all of these services at no cost to us. So it's because of the donors that we have access to all of these treatments. And it's made a really big difference for me. I imagine for you as well.
Big piece for me is I worked in pharmaceutical industry for a number of years. I retired in 21 to focus more on my health. But because of that and because of my knowledge with clinical trials, I was in a clinical trial with Dr. Shaheen. That's when I met Dr. Shaheen in 2018. So he brought me into the pilot along with Sue. And then we started this amazing clinical trial. So I'm a very big advocate for clinical trials. So Sue has partnered me with a bunch of her partners, a Unite for Her's partners, in science. So I've had the amazing opportunity to spend time with scientists from a number of pharmaceutical companies, large and small, to review their documentation. One of them is an informed consent decree that you have to fill out as a patient when you're getting ready to go into a clinical trial, and it can be a little scary. And a lot of the pharmaceutical companies are asking for patients to review this documentation, which is so helpful because only 7% out of everybody in the United States have been in a clinical trial. And that is really small. I mean, the clinical trial saved my life, so I am forever grateful for that. So Sue has had me partner with these pharmaceutical companies to try to lighten up that documentation, to talk to their scientists about the approach with anything that is provided to the patients and getting it out of scientific terms. So just to be able to come at it from that angle and to give back has made a huge difference to me. And Sue is extremely connected with a lot of amazing organizations, and that allows us to provide that chance to give back. So I am forever grateful to Sue because when I was originally diagnosed, I made a promise to myself that I was going to do whatever I can to raise awareness about ovarian cancer, and now also clinical trials. Nobody talks about ovarian cancer. It just is not talked about. That's a big problem.
Sue,
yes,
from her own experience, knows how to support people. When you're diagnosed with cancer, it is so scary and you don't know how to navigate. And again, it's like Sue's your bestie that comes in and says, I got you. This is how you're going to navigate. Let us support you. And it's all those unknowns that it's from her experience that she brings this incredible blessing to the rest of us. And as ovarian cancer patients, that less than 20,000 that are diagnosed a year, there isn't often a place for us. And there are lots of organizations, but I really love and appreciate that Sue has brought in the ovarian cancer patients and the uterine and all of the gynecological cancers and is supporting all of us. Small and mighty as a group we are, but it's nice to be seen. And I appreciate that I have felt seen through my cancer experience very much because of Unite for Her.
Yeah, it's a great way to put it, to be seen, because I never felt seen until from 2014 to 2018. There was really nothing for ovarian cancer patients. So it was really just such a blessing when she decided to do the pilot. And again, so grateful. It is life-changing.
So please give.
Yeah. Yes. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you.